Good morning. Happy Tuesday. CPI day. CPI out. Big ripper candle. A pullback here. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. What's up, Bullish Bear? Craig? Dole? I am long for much lower. I got long like down here. 864 was my average. So I'm sitting pretty for now. Wow, big tech is drilling. Really, they're going to do this type of day? It's AMD. What? They got a price upgrade or something? Okay, Google's ripping. Netflix is ripping. NVIDIA, so they're selling tech and chasing into the IWM names here at the open. Dang, Meta's getting crushed. All right, Meta last line of defense here. If it loses this, it's a quick exit stage left. I'm tempted to add my trims back right here in this 35 to 50 zone. I think this holds. It's 31, I guess, was a previous high from a few weeks ago, right before the Christmas week. The 950 is the other level I have up here. Let's see, where's the SSPX at? Oh boy. Well, at least we don't have any gap fills to worry about. Those are all taken care of. Come on, SPX. Let's go see 7,000 today. 20 points up. We're basically there on the futures. Just a few points shy. Yeah, I didn't add anything there. I kind of wanted to, but I really don't like what Meta, Microsoft, and NVIDIA are doing. But I think we're okay. I'm on dad duty for the next like 15 minutes. So you guys bear with me a little bit here. What? What happened? See my baby girl. Hold on. My upside targets, previous day's high is 020, and then 112. Hold on, let's see. There's a pivot point at what, 98, 97. So upside targets at 97. I have 112 on one of my charts. There it is. I'm looking for 112 and 150. Old too late pal, huh? All right. What's up, KB? Maria. Who else is in here? Miami, I see you sliding in here. Saw Cameron. Maria was first today. Let's go. She was ready to go. Grambo, what's up? I don't see Trump live right now, but I could be missing it, but I don't see. Trump speaks at 2 today. Data-wise, we have new home sales at 10. That's all we really have. There's a Fed speaker at 10:35, Muslim, a 30-year bond auction. The only way I see a short today is if we start getting some rumblings about Supreme Court tomorrow, or we get some hedging for that. Or if we just stay, from 26K to 860, if we just stay in that area. Yeah, I think SPX wants that. What? All right, guys, not a professional TV production here. Just a normal guy, dad, trading with his 4-month-old daughter. Oh, send it. My 4-month-old daughter's just running over these shorts right now. From my longs lower, I have trims 98, 112, and 148. That's what. The other thing I'll watch is if SPX hits 7,000, wherever that is, I'll definitely be taking profit. What was silver doing? Holy cow. Oh, this is the spot. 88. This is double futures. This is double the range. We got AMD up 6.5%. Google's still ripping 340. Yeah, Google's over 4 trillion. Wow. CrowdStrike having a good morning. Well, there goes Amazon. Well, of course, Amazon rips. Take Meta. Wow. So now NASDAQ is booming and the other two are just not. It's going to be a fun divergence. Meta seeking to double Meta Ray-Ban. Ooh, what are we doing? Trump with comments on Iran. True Social here. Hold on. Iranian patriots keep protesting, take over your institutions, save the names of the killers and abusers. They will pay a big price. I've canceled all meetings with Iranian officials until the senseless killing of protesters stops. Help is on the way. MIGA. I'm assuming that's make Iran great again. MIGA. That's MIGA. So you color got a little tight on that pronunciation. That's all right. Well, they can't even see your dress. Look, we want the market to go up, 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 up. Dude, I would crush some migas right now. Some spicy. Oh, my mouth's watering just thinking about migas. All right. It looks like they're buying it. Size wise, somebody's filled 1,300 orders right there. 988. SPX and SPY don't look very good though. SPY needs to bounce right here. I can go a little bit lower, but really right there. If we're gonna get strong continuation this morning. Warby Parker. So that news I called out on Meta, Warby Parker is the one that makes the glasses for Meta, like the frames or something. Warby Parker new highs. I don't trade that name, but I know a lot of people that have been in it for a swing. Trump had to get his entry, so he brought us down. Oh, good point. Oil. If we're gonna start bombing Iran because of these protests, I'll watch oil. Oh oil's up 3%. I'll probably have to swing short silver today. See where it's at the end of the day. Yeah, ES looks like trash right now. Banks are getting smoked. XLF's down bad. This looks like it wants to come right back down. ES needs to hold 7,000 at worst. Honestly, I don't want NQ back below like that 950 to 930. Tech is still strong. I should have known from the start. Yeah, but yeah, oil for sure, Cameron. Because if we get in a conflict with Iran, the oil always spikes on conflicts, of course. Everything looks bad right now. NQ is okay where it's at, but just everything looks bad. It's a pretty decent volume shelf right here on QQQ. We're about to break right through it. Need my reinforcements, hurry up and get home. I think they're gonna keep it here. There we go. Pump it back up. Hey, do you have Miami or Indiana? Miami or Indiana? There. This is Miami. This is Indiana. Which one? Which hand does she grab first? Uh-oh. Which hand are you grabbing first? Miami or Indiana? She's touching Miami. Uh-oh. Sorry, Hoosiers. I don't know how much I trust her judgment, but wee. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. This is way easier since I'm in from 100 points lower. I wasn't brave enough to add any of these dips at 950, 930 though. IWM's still drilling. We've probably got another leg down. I hope not. Hope it just blows back through 26K. I doubt we get 2 good trend days in a row. What do you think, huh? Let's take a look at some of the big names here. We go down to 5 minute. Boy, if you're trying to flip flop right here, they are chopping people to pieces. Hey, this is like whippy. I hate Carson Beck. Honey, what is up? Oh. Hey, where's mommy? We need mommy. Meta's getting drilled. Ah. Ah. comes new home sales. Wow. 1 second, guys. Are we still holding? It doesn't look good, that's for sure. ES held that 7,000. I mean, it wicked through it pretty hard, but it's sitting above it. If it holds right here, I still like it, even with that big wick down. All right, guys, hang in there with me. I've got we got a diaper blowout issue over here. All right, reinforcements are here. We're locked in now. Where are we at on the daily? A little hot. The S&P. Kind of want to get long, like right here. Well, I don't want to risk though. All right, just wait for 860s again. All right, I just averaged down just a little bit here. 922. Gosh, what do I risk? 880? No. I'd rather just do a tight risk and long it again if it goes down there. I had more fills last night at like 42 and 36, 37. And I didn't get down there. Where's SPX? How does IB say new low if we don't have the IB yet? I mean, most likely it's going to be that way. Is yes sitting on the pivot point? Yeah. I really don't want to go any lower than this. I should probably just put my stop right here. I'm going to put my stop at 97, which is risk 25 points. Yeah. If this fails right here, I'm okay stopping out and buying it lower. I don't want to risk 40, 50 points. Microsoft looks bad. Meta really fell off a cliff. Did not hold that level I thought it was going to. This Muslim guy needs to shut up. Yeah, this is going to take me out. All right, I'm out. Did they just? No, they didn't. They're going to make me chase this right back in. I'm chasing it. The 150 lot fills right after I get stopped out. I'm about to degen. What's it? Degen this stupid thing. Caterpillar's up 2% today. I need. Are we really just gonna drill today? I mean, but my bigger picture is still up. It's just, is it gonna happen today ahead of what's coming tomorrow? Is it here? Do I buy it same spot I bought it last night? Do I need to short silver? All right. All right, the same spot I longed last night. Do I start here? Started buying. Okay, got to. Oh, we got like 10 minutes till the IB. Well, I think it can bounce first. You could probably short it on the next bounce. Where's SPX? That is a good point, though. They're gonna make me wait. I mean, I have to wait for the IB to break. Swept all of London. Otherwise, I gotta wait for like 790. Yeah. This is probably gonna fall further. Should we hit what, 39? SPX is right there. Did we just sweep the low, the Asia low? All right. His IB's in 8 minutes. I don't like how this is setting up now. Oh, I gotta sit on my hands. Stupid IB. The problem is I'm already in some. Too aggressive. If it'll sweep one more time. Preferably like in 6 minutes. Don't make me do it here. Yeah, that's my other thought is if they're just risk off everything for tomorrow. Five minutes. Are we long here back to 880 and then short it? Why is it at the low on the IB? Oh, SPX. And Trump did say he's going to make all these data centers start paying the electric bills. And just fall apart to like 790 one time real fast, and then we're overextended and I can play the bounce. But wait 3 minutes before you do it, please. Oh. I feel like they did this the last CPI day. Just reverse the whole thing and then drill a couple 100 points. I'm going to be pretty upset if this bounces right here and I don't have any size on. Because this is where I want a long, but we still have the IB to sweep. Don't do it. Come on, just go take the low so I can long it. Just want it to sweep the low. I can't just leave the IB down here. Or otherwise this thing pops to 870 and then you short it right back down here. Or if I get real cute, I long here to 860, get out and go short, and then get back in at the low for long. I don't know. Starting to get too complicated. Just leave some buys down here at 800 and 795, 790. Yes. This is going to frustrate me because this is literally my buy zone. But we haven't taken the IV low. We did take previous day high during the session, right at the open, which means we should close green today. Where is that? I mean, we should close over 950. How about that? We should close above 950 today, statistically. But we should also make a new low first. Oh. Tricky, tricky. What do I do? What to do? There's the 860 rejection. Just go take the low now. Just do it now and stay overextended. Come on, just nosedive, nosedive. Just go down 30 points. Or run up 100 first or something. Yes is getting a nice bounce. Where did SPX bounce off of? It held 950 and wicked 945, the two levels. 945 previous all-time high, 950 that whole number and a fib. This thing's about to rip 100 points, isn't it? Stupid. Chase this thing again. Give up a great night just to make more money today. Okay. Now watch, you probably get smacked right here. Oh my God. Oh. Look at IWM ripping off the low too. This thing's going back up. Oh. Yeah, we're going, let's do all-time high today. There's the slap. I hit 880. Don't bounce here. Go take the low first. I mean, what? Well, one side or the other on the IB is 97, 96%. I would love for it to be the high. But it would be much better if it would just take the low now. I've got orders 810 down to 790. We do not want to go under 740 because if we take yesterday's low, we are dead in the water. Where's my daily EMAs at? 70 points lower on NDX. Don't hang here. Go take the low. Just short it down there. This is going to take the IB low right here, and then I need it to bounce, bounce, bounce. Stop holding. What are you doing? Silver's moving like a meme coin. Just take the low. $150 lots at 825. NVIDIA's taking the low. Come on, shoot down there. To buy some silver puts. SLV. Quit holding. Just go take the low. I'm gonna delete this 835 level off my chart. The other problem is ES is 10 points above its IB. So if it follows suit here, NQ does go much lower. Oh, NVIDIA just got bought up like crazy. I just need to be long NVIDIA? No, I don't. Ugh. I mean, I like all the indices. I like the charts, but like half these Mag 7 names don't look good. NVIDIA is under every moving average except for the 200. Netflix is drilling. Microsoft's under everything, gapping down. Meta's way under everything now. Google looks good, new all-time high. Broadcom under the 50-day, but above a couple things. Amazon's fine. Apple looks terrible. Dang. Walmart almost hit 120? Dude, the more I look at this, the more I want to short it. Why you tell me not to short it and risk like 875, 880? Shoot for 812, 790. Oh, too late now. Come on, just go take the low. Almost. 5 points away. There we go. Now I'm scared. Do I leave these bids down here? The thing I'm scared about is ES could just plummet. Oh my God. They didn't even film me, but on it, God bless America. I've got to start buying the dip somewhere. Oh, this is going to be the most frustrating trading day of the year. It wicked the new low and flew, and it didn't even, dude. Oh my gosh. It's nothing but buying on the tape just now, too. Good God. I'll have to sell put spreads on Vanquish. ES should break one side or the other. Which side's it going to break? Probably the low. I mean, it would have to absolutely rip to break the high. But we have a statistic that says we should close green, at least on NASDAQ. Bless. I just gotta sit here and watch now. Dadgummit. Oh, wait. Oh, I had a. Oh my God. Oh! I have to order a new monitor. So I'm gonna punch this one. Jesus, look at this. It's playing out exactly. Be right back. I'm gonna rage real fast. Oh my God. Just put my hands on top of my head before I do something stupid. We're going back to 950 at least. You believe this? I had orders at 810. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just gonna start chasing this next down candle. I just have to. Who's up? As long as it holds 60 to 65. I'm gonna have to start buying. I'll risk my green. No. Come down more. At least give me 60 something. I'm about to just hammer QQQ 627s. right. All right, close this candle, wick down to 865. Let me get long. Boeing delivery numbers are out. Dude, no, what? I'm not going to chase it up here, but God, the FOMO is so real right now. I did just degen a bunch of 627 0 DTs on QQQ. Somebody distract me, chat. I'm gonna do something dumb. I can just feel myself like tilting. I can feel the tilt coming. Drop it like 30 points real fast. I just leave bids at 876, 866, 860. You just get long the same spot I got long last night. I mean, the problem is since we took the IB low, our probabilities of making a high now are much lower. But Qs should close green today, which means NQ over 950. And it's like 627 and change on QQQ. They're not going to come down. Dude, if this was Xbox, your opponent would have just left the game. I would have rage quit on that. What did we even hit? 809? M&Q wicked it a little bit lower, but all right, just one wick down and I'll buy it. I promise I will. Come on. If I swear if 880 is all we get right here, I'm gonna rage. It played out exactly how I was. Just wick that IB and go, and look at freaking runs 90 points immediately. We should get a pullback to the 60s. Come on. Yeah, that 1 minute candle ran from what, 811 to 844. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna have to do. Oh. Worst green day of my life. VSCO, is that Victoria's Secret? Dude, why is Victoria's Secret up 111% in 3 months? Victoria's Secret's up 250% in 6 months. That is stupid. Yeah. Tesla's in no man's land right here. Nvidia's, it's got a hold right here, or it's 180 again, but it's fine. Microsoft looks like you took a dog turd, put it in a paper sack, and lit it on fire. ES is stuck at 7,000. NDX is fine. SPX held exactly those two low. I mean, 950, well, 951 is where I have fib level, and then the previous high was 945. We respected that the other day. Oh my God. Where did NVIDIA bounce? I'm going to be in a foul mood all day. First red day for you, Jarrett? Nothing wrong with a red day. Honestly, I can handle a red day at this point better than I can handle a green day where I just get just absolutely screwed or edged or what. All right, somebody was talking about Invax, Novavax. Ooh. I mean, you're coming into the supply here, but oof. Novavax. I mean, what do you do with this coming into massive supply? Oh my God. I forgot about this. Yeah, that's not interesting to me, really. What was the other one? People Nova Nordisk? NVO, there it is. Just hanging out. Okay. I think we're going higher. I think we're going higher for the next week plus. Did JP Morgan report bad this morning? I really think we're going back to highs. I think we're taking these highs. I think we're going to all-time high in the next week on QQQ, on NASDAQ, whatever. I'm about to go full margin, long Qs, and short silver. Oh my God. Today would be a good day to buy an eval. Just blow $180 real fast. The difference is I am feeling reckless, but I'm not doing anything. Like I'm not chasing longs here. Not gonna do anything stupid. Freaking 100 points from where I should have got filled. Honestly, from sitting through days like this in the past is what's made me a much better and patient trader overall. I swear, if this thing runs 200 points higher, I probably will do something stupid at the end of the day. This APH, yeah, I see the back test, and that's an if for a new entry, that's aggressive. But if you're in this, it looks good. If you're in from here, and it's about time for Nvidia to start running up into the earnings season when everybody says they're going to spend hundreds of billions of dollars on their chips. It's just you could, in theory, reject here, but let's see. What does it say? QQQ, 82% chance of a green day. I don't even know where I can dip buy up here. I don't know if there's anything. I'd rather be just dead ass wrong than literally like playbook by playbook call that out and not catch it. Maybe we get a headline and I can buy the dip on it. You really need the banks to start bouncing for SPY. Just hanging out down here. Citigroup bounced pretty hard off that low. So did Wells Fargo. They both report tomorrow. I think. Bank of America. Somebody reports Thursday and somebody reports tomorrow. Yeah, Bank of America, Citi, Wells Fargo tomorrow. Goldman Sachs is Thursday. Morgan Stanley. Taiwan Semi overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning. Usually comes out around like 1 a.m. market time. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. $6.27s for QQQ trading at 75 cents right now. Really haven't moved up that much yet. A Walmart new high of day. What a stock. NVIDIA just take out the high. Oh yeah, NVIDIA's flying. Oh, okay. Why is Moderna ripping today? I always want to say Moderna. It's Moderna. Dang. Up 12.5%? It's Moderna squeeze city. IWM's about to make a new low. Yep. Whoa, what happened in the video just now? Oh, what's going on? Do I buy this? Oh. Wait, I haven't heard anything. Oh, NVIDIA? China restrictions? China NVIDIA restrictions? I bet this dip gets bought. I'm long. Oh, is the market going to bless me after all? Oh, restricts chip purchases to certain circumstances. It's from the information, so you know it's probably a BS article. Oh. Come on, market, bless me. Yeah, still didn't take that low. Stupid thing. The Dow just took the IV low. Baidu. Baidu's ripping. Come on, run it, run it, run it. Where did I even get in at? $8.76. Look, NVIDIA bought all the way back up. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Come on. And send it. I should have left my orders at 860. God. I mean, I got in at 876, so it was pretty. Boy, getting that news quick is freaking cheat code. Come on, give me 950. I want to get a trim off. $947. Give me like 70 something points. It's 935 is a trim spot, but I think we're going to push through. Once again, it's an 82% chance that we close green today. IWM swept the IB. The only thing that didn't take the IB was SPX. Maybe it'll just, if banks can turn around, maybe we'll go take the high. There we go. Push. And 950. Tesla looks like it wants to make a new high. About the Trump. Yeah, I mean, your target's 950, 972, 985, same as yesterday. And then 2620, previous day's high. All right, I just trimmed for 70 points. And I'm going to take those QQQ 627s off. $0.75 to 115, 112, somewhere in there. What did I feel at? 113. I had them from 68. Yeah, almost a double on those. All right. Close the Vanquish account down. Come on, just send this thing. Come on, yes, get over. Stop loss up to break even. We are so back. How many cons I usually trade? I mean, it depends on the account and the size and everything, but I like to do like threes. So like I usually like buy three, buy another three, buy another three. So like somewhere between 12 to 15 is usually my 15's kind of like as big as I typically go. It's very situational. But like for 150K size account with the way we're currently trading, I usually don't want to be in more than like 9 to 12. Sometimes I'll go a little bit crazier. I'm digging myself out of a hole. Just depends. But yeah, somewhere in that like 9 to 12 is probably the sweet spot for me. Just all depends. Sometimes I'll only do like 6. If I can't do 5 or 6, I almost feel like it's not even worth my time. Nvidia's a new high. Yeah, basically, like I scale in. I don't know if DCA is the right term because like I'm not always like averaging down, but sometimes I'll average into a position. But like if I start entering a position and it immediately like Jordan, for those of you that know Jordan's system, I don't really follow it that much, but if you get one of those little inversions, so like you see like it reacts to your level where you start entering, and then the next candle like wicks down kind of to the high of that previous candle. Or like does one of those. I mean, you can probably go down to like a 1 minute and see it. I just do it on the 5 minute, but if you get like a 5 minute tweezer or whatever, and then the next candle or two later comes back down there. So a lot of times I'll add. If I get some positive reinforcement, sometimes I'll add. Sometimes I have like a zone, so like I start buying 3 at the top of the zone and then buy again at the bottom of the zone or in the middle. I mean, for me, we had every box checked off to buy that dip down there. I was so frustrated where it bounced. NVIDIA, let's go. What's the drawdown on 150K count? Depends on the prop firm. So like Top Step, it's like $4,500. I think the one, I think it's 4,500. I think that's pretty standard. Like on the 100K, it's usually 3K. SPX, I think you're going back to 80. Yeah, I think you're going back to 80. Oh, please just send this thing all day long. $6K on Tradify? Really? Dude, the news squawker is like using a Xerox machine from the 80s. What are we doing? All up in my ear. Thought it was Rizzo for a second. Can I get 100 points here? I mean, I'm trimming right here, 95. There's 100 points from the entry. Yeah, NVIDIA is ripping. I almost want to buy more NVIDIA calls. Like 190s, 195s. The end of the month, baby. Dude, the way Walmart's going, it's going to be my biggest position. Let's go. Oh, there was 100 points from that snipe on the news candle. Oh, QQQ went green as predicted. SPY is almost there. Give me this 985. Didn't I say out loud I wanted a news candle to just send us down? Did I just like speak all this into existence today? That's funny. All right, went from the worst green day ever to a pretty good day. Oh, I gotta run the Tesla space in 10 minutes, 14 minutes, whatever. 13 minutes. I'll get it right eventually. There, I just got my next trim. I'm not trimming again until the video is just screaming. I guess I'll just hold for overnight high for the CPI data high. What a beautiful day. To NVIDIA's vertical. Rizzo said I was blessed by a headline when I prayed for it. I guess that's ironic. Oh, man. God, I swear, if I get to hold this for another 100 points, this is going to be the best day ever. Ever. Not my biggest day ever, but just... the emotional roller coaster that I went on this morning. This is crazy. I'm up 125 points. Come on, blast through. Was holding a baby. That's maybe I gotta. She's gonna start making an appearance every morning. Nvidia. Should I take one off here at previous day high? I got 3 left. We just ride it to that pivot point. 97. We just ride it to there. Take one more off if we hit high of day. Dude, look at your daily NDX chart. Looks like we're just on a piss missile for all-time highs. It was like Yachty Puig in right field, just launch it. Well, you guys didn't know you were gonna get a Yachty Puig reference today. How about that? It's Yasiel. I know I said it wrong. I get excited. Yasiel Puig. Molina. Yeah. And Molina's got a Ford announcement expected today from the White House. I don't know what is Yasiel Puig doing nowadays. Is he retired completely? I think he was playing in like Panama or somewhere weird. Or Mexico. Maybe he was playing in Mexico. Oh, he was in Korea. He played in Korea last year until the summertime. I don't want to abuse my powers here, but dude, all right, team. John, if you know nothing about futures, the question is what do you know? Like, what do you know about trading? I tell you what, I have to close this down. I have a little break here, a little lunch break. And then the rest of the crew, I'll be back in about an hour 20. And then, but Jordan and the rest of the crew will be going live at some point, maybe before that. But either way, in about an hour or so, we'll be live again for the afternoon session. Lunch break here. $140 plus points here. Well, what a beautiful morning. We'll see if I can just sit in this the rest of the day. But if you make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, John, come back this afternoon. We'll chat on that exact piece right there. Start learning. Talk about some of the education stuff this afternoon. Right here, same channel, same place. Probably about in an hour. All right, team. Appreciate everyone tuning in. What a roller coaster of emotions today. What a beautiful day it turned out to be. Jarrett, Tommy, Miami, Maria. Everybody else has been hanging out here. Boris. Who was it? Rico. Grambo's been in here. All you guys. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go open up this Tesla space, and I'll be back. We'll run it for the afternoon. Boom.